So we got some more Gktech stuff going on. We have Gktech caster arms. So these look way thicker than what's underneath the car. We'll get the stuff out and then we'll do like a little side-by-side comparison. These also have the little like spherical ball joint or spherical bush, whichever one you want to call it. So this also is going to take away any sort of play that you would get, say, if you had a rubber bush on the front there. And you also have the adjustment as well with these. We'll see how we go with these, try to get it as close as we can, but this is the last sort of suspension thing to go onto the car before it goes and gets a wheel alignment. I also need to put my rear sway bar on. I completely forgot to do that. I've been in Europe for the last 2 months and it was sort of a bit of a rush to get things done on the car so we could at least get moved back into the shed. So at the end, chuck a rear sway bar on, and then I also need to raise the rear coilovers a little bit because of the Gktech subframe bushes. It's actually allowed the subframe to go a little closer to the body of the car, which means that the ride height has sort of been lowered in the rear as well. So we need to drop that back down a bit. Hopefully, should be super easy day. So I don't like things being dirty when I reassemble something new onto it, so we're going to hit all this with a cleaner and get it looking pretty. So the stock ones come in at 20mm thick, and the Gktech ones come in at 28mm. Alrighty, to finish up we need 65 to 85 foot-pounds on both these back bolts and the front bolt. I just gotta tighten up here. You also want to make sure that your actual joint itself stays nice and straight. What happened to the 17s? Alrighty, 19s for the new Gktech bolts. Come on, click! Click, come on! Oh yeah! Woo! So that there, because the subframe has moved further up into the car, we now need to drop the coilovers a little bit lower to hopefully match the front here. While we're here, I'll need to chuck on the sway bar as well. So these are a little bit annoying to get into because I can't actually put my little coilover tool here because obviously we've got the control arm in the way, so we're just going to have to go the screwdriver and hammer to loosen that. That way we can twist this whole body to push the collar down, and then that'll give us our ride height again, so we got the clearance with the fender. I'm hoping I don't need to take the exhaust off to put this back in. I was really hoping to have some like fresh bushes ordered in because these things are toasted, but the car does need to go for a pink slip. So I do feel bad putting this stuff on, but that's sort of the only option I have for now. These are our sway bar links. I probably should have bought the full kit and not just the bushes because I would have liked to have fresh hardware for here, but I was an idiot, so it is what it is. Oh, that's going to be fun to try and thread on. It's alright, we've got a couple threads on that, so that's all we need.